Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zoom AI Companion for workflow automation step by step clearly. Navigate to the Zoom website using your preferred web browser. Log into your Zoom account with your credentials. Once logged in, look for the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the Marketplace option to explore additional features. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to type AI Companion. Select the AI Companion for workflow automations from the search results. On the AI Companion page, read through the feature descriptions and benefits. A subscription options window will appear, outlining different tiers available. Choose the subscription plan that best suits your needs. Review the pricing details and subscription terms before proceeding. Click on the Continue button to confirm your selection. You may be prompted to enter payment information if it's not already saved. Fill in the required payment details accurately. After entering your payment information, review everything for accuracy. You will receive a confirmation message once your subscription is successful. To access the AI Companion, return to your Zoom dashboard. Explore the settings and features available to customize your workflow automations. Start integrating the AI tools into your Zoom meetings for enhanced productivity. Feel free to explore online resources for usage tips and best practices. Your AI Companion is ready to help streamline your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.